So everyone, welcome back to Financial Channel. So here I'm back with a new topic in food chains and food web. So let's start with the topic, but before that I have one person to introduce you with. So here we have a chief guest who will be asking us questions on according to the slides. So let's see what's going to be happening. So his name is Dharmesh Shah. So let's start our video. What is a food chain? Food chain is the path by which energy passes from one living thing to another. Like I can tell you, sun gives energy to the plants to make their own food and grow. So when the grasshopper comes and eats the plant, after that a frog eats the grasshopper to continue the food chain. But there should be someone to eat this frog, little frog. So here there is an eagle or any other consumer who will eat him. So let's start. So any questions on this slide?
No.
Okay. No questions on this slide. What's in a food chain? So I'll be telling you. We have producers, consumers and decomposers. So producers are those. Wait, I'll first give the slide.
I have a
So-
question.
Okay.
Can you elaborate who are the producer?
Yeah. Like you want the names of the animals.
Yes.
Yeah. So names of the plants. They are the plants. Of producers are the plants. Like I can just give you an option of banana tree, mango tree, or any plant are the producers. They can make their own food and are not depending on the other animals or plants.
Okay.
But there can be some exceptions.
So grassroot vegetables are producer?
Yes, they are the producers.
Okay.
So let me explain this. I just gave the answer, right? Here we have consumers. Consumers hunt and gather and store food because they cannot make their own food. They do not have the energy like producer. They are not the green ones who can take the sun's power to make their own food with the process of photosynthesis. So any questions on this slide?
Yes.
Yes,
Cat is a producer or consumer?
Cat is a consumer, and yeah, a cat is a consumer because she is not green. She has not just eaten any plants.
How can you say that it is she?
She or he. Just I'm giving some option, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So let's start with the next slide. Yeah, the types of consumers. Now we have some subtopics on the consumers. So in consumers we have herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So I think I should get it. So herbivores are those who only eat plants and depend on plants for their food. Now I can give you some examples like grasshopper, rabbits, deer, squirrels and pandas. Any question on this slide?
What about human?
Humans are omnivores. That will be coming on the slide.
You are so genius.
Thank you. So here we have carnivores. So carnivores are the animals which depend on other animals for their food. Like they depend on herbivores, as this is a food chain. A plant grows with the power of the sun, and the plant are eaten by herbivores and herbivores are eaten by carnivores. Carnivores are eaten by omnivores. So here we have omnivores. The question you asked us, who are humans? Humans are omnivores. So animals which can eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian are known as omnivores. Like a bear is also one option for that. Decomposers. Microorganisms. Okay, sorry. Any question on this slide?
No.
On this slide. Oh. On this slide.
No questions.
Now let me explain. Microorganisms that able to break down large molecules in smaller parts. Decomposers return the nutrients that are in the living organism. I told you that scavengers eat some of the dead animals and let it be, and they are gone. They go under the soil, and now they are being eaten by the decomposers, who break these substances into smaller parts and distribute them to smaller parts. Let's go to the next slide. I think this is the last slide. Okay, let's look at it. Food chain. A food chain is a simplified way to look at the energy that passes from producers to consumers. Here we have the sun. The sun gives energy to the green plants. Green plants are eaten by herbivores. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores, and carnivores go to the soil, and they again grow and give energy to the plants to grow. Types of food chains. We have aquatic and terrestrial. So water related food chains with sea plants and animals. Terrestrial land related food chains with land plants and animals. Any question on it?
No.
Okay. Predators and prey. Predator, an animal that captures and eats other animals. Prey, the animal that is captured and eaten. What is food web? More or less realistic way of looking at the relationship of plants and animals is an environment. Several food chains linked together. A predator from one food chain may be linked to the prey of another food chain. So here is a food web. How many food chains can you make from this food web? So this is a homework for all the subscribers who are watching this video. So you have to make a food chain from this. You can make many food chains from it. I can just say that. So what?
Nothing.
So thank you everyone. We came to end of our video. I thank all the chief guests who are attending our video. So yeah, he's here on virtual way. He's not here sitting. So let's begin with a new journey of this way of learning. Thank you.